You see dozens of pasta shapes in the grocery store aisle, but do you always end up buying the same two shapes and cooking them with the exact same sauce? In reality, every single pasta shape is specifically designed to carry a particular type of sauce to your mouth in the most delicious way possible. When you nail the right pairing, the sauce doesn't just pool at the bottom of your plate, it clings perfectly to the pasta. Today, we are revolutionizing your kitchen game. We are breaking down the world's most popular pasta shapes and their perfect sauce pairings into 4 simple groups. Let's get into it. Group 1. Long and elegant pastas. Our first group is long pastas. We have the classic spaghetti and its slightly flattened sibling, linguine. Because of their delicate structure, these shapes are lightweight. That's why they work beautifully with fluid olive oil-based sauces, light tomato sauces, or smooth seafood emulsions. Now, if those strands get wider, they become fettuccine or tagliatelle. These wide ribbons are strong. They can easily carry the weight of a rich, creamy Alfredo or heavy meat-based sauces. Then we have bucatini, which looks like spaghetti from the outside, but has a hollow hole running straight through the center like a straw. It traps the sauce inside, doubling the flavor in every bite. The rule for this group is simple. If the pasta is thin, keep the sauce light. If the pasta is wide, make the sauce rich. Group 2. Short and tubular pastas. Our second group consists of short and tubular pastas. The most famous one is penne, with its angled, bias-cut ends and its thicker, wider, older brother, rigatoni. If you are making a chunky bolognese, a spicy arrabbiata, or a heavy chicken and mushroom sauce, this is exactly where you want to look. The sauce fills up the hollow chambers inside the tubes, exploding with flavor every single time you press your fork into a bite. Then we have fusilli, or corkscrew pasta. Its tight twists are perfect for trapping fine particles like green pesto sauce or coating themselves evenly in olive oil. It's also the absolute best choice for a cold pasta salad. Group 3. Shaped pastas. The sauce traps. Our third group features shaped pastas, which basically act as micro sauce traps. Conchiglie, or shell pasta, is brilliantly engineered just like a spoon. Thanks to its wide, open cavity, it mechanically scoops up and holds on to heavy sauce elements like peas, minced meat, or small pieces of vegetables. Farfalle, commonly known as bow tie pasta, adds a highly aesthetic touch to your plate while pairing beautifully with light, creamy vegetable sauces. Group 4. Filled pastas. The inside surprises. Our final group is the peak of the pasta hierarchy, fresh, filled pastas. We are talking about square-shaped ravioli and tiny belly-button-shaped tortellini. Because these pastas already come packed with rich fillings like cheese, spinach, meat, or mushrooms, you don't need to overwhelm them with heavy external sauces. Simply tossing them in a pan with a little melted butter and fresh sage leaves is all it takes to deliver a restaurant-quality plate. It really is that simple. Light and oil-based sauces go with the spaghetti family. Chunky and meat-heavy sauces go with penne or rigatoni. Heavy, slow-cooked meats belong with wide ribbons, and filled pastas only need a touch of good butter. And here is a little chef's secret. Whenever you are combining your pasta with the sauce, splash in a ladle of that starchy pasta cooking water. It binds everything together, creating a velvety, glossy coating without needing heavy cream. This is the science of cooking. This video is going to be your ultimate kitchen cheat sheet. Don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and save it so you can check back whenever you're staring at your pantry. Buon appetito!